Okay, I'm testing the speaker. I've got it set on instant broadcast. I got it set to 100%. We haven't taken off yet. All right, we're gonna go up 100 feet. 90. There's 101 feet. Okay, let's try it from there. Testing. Testing. All right, we're gonna have to go back a little ways. We're still getting some feedback. Now we're at 108 feet from us, 101 foot high. Testing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, I hear it pretty clear from 100 feet. Let's go back 150. That's 154 feet. We're going to go up to 150 feet. Okay, it is 150.3 or 4 feet. Let's try it again. One, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, I can still hear it pretty good. I don't know if you can. Oh, hang on, I'm still talking.